Hello children, good morning. Today I am going to teach you for the student of class 6th science, and we will discuss about lesson 3, and our lesson name is fiber to fabric. Fiber to fabric, because after fiber we get fabrics. At first, we will discuss about fiber and fabric. What is fiber and what is fabric? Children, fiber is a hair-like structures which are obtained from plants and animals. Fibers are hair-like structures which are obtained from plants and animals. And fibers are the hair-like structure, and fabric is a piece of cloth which are made by fibers by the process of weaving and kinetin. Okay, today we will discuss about fibers and types of fibers, differences between natural and synthetic fibers, uses of fibers, and now synthetic fibers part. Children, at first we will discuss about natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Natural fibers are that fibers which are obtained from the nature called natural fibers. Natural fibers are classified into two groups such as plants fiber and animals fibers. Plant fibers, that fibers which are also called natural fibers, but in the presence of nature, plants are also present in the nature. So plants and animals both are called the parts of the natural fiber. Plants fiber are obtained from plants, and natural fibers and animals fiber obtained from the animals. So plants fiber such as jute, cotton, coir, nylon. Jute, cotton, coir, nylon, they are plant fibers, and silk, wool are called animal fiber, because silkworm provides silk, sheep and goat provide wool, and sometimes somewhere animals are also provide wool. So this type of fibers are known as the natural fibers. And synthetic fibers are that fiber which are made from chemicals, and by the activities of human activities, this type of fibers are called synthetic fibers. Rayon, nylon, acrylic, polyester, also we concluded this, polyester, they are called synthetic fibers. And rayon is a synthetic fiber which are strong and elastic. They are made from wood pulp. Rayon are made from wood pulp. Rayon are blended with cotton and wool. Rayon are blended with cotton and wool for making different types of clothes, such as We erase him. Rayon are made from wood pulp and they are blended with some other cottons, like mixed with cotton used for making bed sheets, pillow covers, and blended with wool for making bandage. So, rayon are synthetic fiber. Polyester are made from petrochemical and they are formed by the different types of smallest part of ester and make polyester. They are also used for making clothes, part of shells, and some parts of winter wear clothes, and some clothes which are made by polyester in summer wear clothes, and that fiber which are made by polyester in the form of polywool and polycot. Polywool and polycot. Polywool are used for making winter wear clothes and polycot are used for making summer wear clothes, and both are made by polyester. Now we will discuss about nylon. Nylon is a synthetic fiber which are made by petrochemicals but also made from two places, New York and London. So this name is nylon, New York, London. They are flammable and nylon is so elastic, so durable, so strong that it is used for making ropes, raincoats, coats, and also clothes. Acrylic are types of fiber which are used for making winter wear clothes because they are look like wool, so they are used for making winter wear clothes, sweaters, shawls, sport things, etc. Now we will discuss about fabric and their method. Fabric is a piece of cloth and piece of cloth, it means fibers are a hair like a structure and fabrics are the piece of cloth, and for the making of clothes there are two methods are derived, weaving and knitting. Weaving is that process in which two yarn are arrangement for perpendicularly in the process of weaving, such as clothes are made by the process of weaving. Mostly clothes are made by the process of weaving. Knitting is a process by single yarn and they are used for making woolen clothes. You know that our parents, our mothers, knitting the sweaters and socks by the wool, they use a single yarn. It is right. They use single yarn. So this process is used for making woolen clothes, and weaving is that process in which we use two yarn two single yarn and perpendicularly to making a clothes, and mostly we can see that weaving is a process by which mostly clothes are made from by the process of weaving. Now we will discuss about difference between natural and synthetic fiber. Natural and synthetic fibers are that fibers which are very different, dissimilar to each other, such as if we discriminate natural and synthetic fiber, one side we write natural fiber and other side we write synthetic fiber. Natural fiber are made by nature and they are made by chemical. First difference is, second, they are classified into two groups. Which groups? Plant and animal. And synthetics are classified into many groups such as rayon, polyester, nylon and acrylic. We conclude here. And next difference is, natural fiber has more retention of the water. They have the capacity to more retention of the water, more absorption of the water. Which have the capacity? Natural fiber, they have more retention of the water and they have the capacity to less retention of the water. Less retention of the water. And we also concluded in this group that natural fiber are attacked by moth insect. They are attacked by moth insect, but they not attacked by moth. Okay, and natural fiber are less strong than synthetic fiber, and synthetic fiber is very strong than natural fiber. Okay, and at last we use some fiber just such that rayon fiber, polyester fiber, nylon fiber, acrylic, and rayon is made by the uses of rayon is some other substances like clothes. Polyester are made for polycoat and polywool. Nylon is made for nylon is used for making different types of cloth and also used for making robes, raincoat, coats. Acrylic is used for making winter wear clothes, and cotton are used for bedsheet cover, pillows cover, and also different types of cloth. So children, thus our chapter is going to be end. I hope you will understand very well. Thank you.